My name is Melody, and I'm the founder of Runway Heels. For generations, women have endured the pain, discomfort, slip and fall issues, as well as medical conditions associated with prolonged use of high heels. So with Runway, you can wear your favorite stilettos anytime, anywhere, and when your feet are tired or in pain, simply press a button, converts to flats in seconds, giving your feet a rest whenever you want. What's currently out there in the market are the interchangeable ones, where you still have to carry a second pair of heels with you, either in your purse or in your car, and they could be expensive. So Runway Heels, with its patent design, with a push of a button, the heels extends out, locks in as a high heels, and retracts back as flats in seconds. It's convenient and it's affordable.
With Runway Heels' patented technology, we averaged out that arc so you can have a comfortable heel not only on the downside but also on the upside.
They felt great. I could walk around my office for a while in these.
We all bring our dogs to the office, so I have to take my dog out walking like 3 times a day before the customers come back in the office. I'd flip them down, walk in flats. I could walk my dog for 4 blocks, 5 blocks, no problem.
For going out at night, this would be great because I would actually be able to stand and not be in pain. I could go out and then I could easily go back into flats when I got tired.
I love the flexibility. I can come back, just put the heel back up and go right back to work. 1 less pair of shoes to carry for the day.
That was so easy.
Runway Heels is not there to replace the Gucci's and the Louboutins or your 5-inch stiletto. It'll be the ultimate go-to for the modern women who just want something that could adapt to their changing landscape throughout the day.
What we designed is a structure and engineering that will not only get the heel structured and reinforced with steel and metal, but also give the comfort of when walking. So with the funds, we will invest in more iterations on the design, prototypes, and a wider variety of colors and materials to widen our current lineup.
We are at the final stage of prototyping and ready for production. Please pledge your support and help make Runway Heels a reality.